Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick little unboxing of this Bushmasters Whittlers Pocket Knife. This is another kind of a multi-tool pocket knife like the old-timer splinter carving knife. Just another variant of it, so I kind of want to just do a little quick comparison between the old-timer version and the Bushmaster one. Noted, if you're going to get the splinter one, I've been hearing more people like the ones that come out of the plastic pack instead of the one that comes out of the box. Me personally, the last one I got was out of the little cardboard box, and I did find a little bit of a difference between the quality of steel between the plastic one and the one in the box. Get the one in the plastic, it might be a little bit better. Just a heads up for that one. But this is the Bushmasters Whittlers Pocket Knife. Quick little unboxing video. I haven't used this one yet. I just literally got it in a little while ago. But I think it looks pretty cool, especially when compared to the old-timer variant. It has more character. They're both about the same price. I think they're both between, I want to say like $20 and $30. Depends on where you get it from. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that the blades are going to be about the same sharpness level. They have very similar steel. It looks like the Bushmaster one actually has a steeper edge on it. I don't know if you can see this, but you can see how the tip kind of comes down to the slope and then pokes out a little bit. That looks like it's a manufacturing defect on this one. Interesting. Yeah, that's weird. Well, it's made in China, so I'm not expecting it to be like super nice. Decent spring on it. But yeah, let's see how dull this one is. Yeah, this thing is pretty dull. I'm sure I can probably slice through wood. Yeah, I'll sort of slice through wood. I'll give it I'd say you might want to give it a good little sharpening. It's the same thing with the old-timer one. I haven't done anything with this one yet. But yeah, they're both high carbon steel. They both have the same exact tools on them. Let's pull out some of them here compared to each other. Compared to the flex cut carving jack variant, yeah, they're going to be different. Those tools are on a completely different level than these guys, mostly since they're about 5 to 6 times the cost. Those ones will come blistering sharp. These ones will require you to put work into it, but I've seen a lot of people liking them. Let's see, so they have about the same exact tools. Let's see. Oh, there is a difference. I see one already. The old-timer version has a gouge, a straight gouge. This one has a chisel. I don't see a straight gouge in this one, so that is a difference right there. Let's see what else. What else? Other than that, looks like it's about the same tools. Oh, there's another thing. This one looks like it has another type of scorp going on. That is an interesting. What did they do there? What is that? I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, I don't know what that is. That is rubbish. It's like they were doing a right-handed scorp, but butchered it. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. I mean, you can see it's like beveled inwards. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it. Yeah, there we go. But you can see it's like, yeah, that's bull crap right there. That's trash. That is ugly. I don't even think you can properly use that. Let me see if there's any way I can actually use that thing. I'm already not liking this thing. Let's see. It's not doing anything. There we go. Yeah, that's crap. This tool is useless. Ugh. That's so stupid. Let's see. Compared to this one, nice thing too. That was for the other side, but yeah, you can actually take wood off with this one. But that other side was stupid. I'm really not liking this, both for multiple reasons. I mean, you can see like the handle design it kind of swoops up like a unsymmetrical canoe. I mean, it's really thick up in this side. See if I can pull out that janky looking one over here. It's like, yeah, I feel like this side's really thick. This side's much thinner, so I don't like the way that the handle is balanced on there. That is just crap. I mean, it looks nice, but the way it fits in your hand, no. How much did I pay for this? I think it was like $20 or $25. This is, yeah, guys, this is garbage. I don't even know if I'm gonna do I'll end up doing a review on this on YouTube after I fix it up a little bit. But yeah, guys, right now from get-go, don't buy this. You buy the old-timer version. Buy the old-timer version. Do not buy the Bushmaster version. This is just immediately, I'm already saying this is like, it's not, I don't think it's worth 20 to 30 bucks. This one, yes, 20 to 30 bucks all day long. It actually has useful tools on it. But no, yes. I thought I'd be doing something a little bit more useful here. Like, I even got some tougher wood to try out, but it barely does basswood right out of the box. Definitely needs a lot of work. A significant amount of work. I mean, seriously, what is this? Like that right there, you can't use that. What were they thinking? It's like flat going straight up and down right here. Maybe this is another knife for the trash can. Yeah, definitely don't buy the Bushmaster one. So no, don't buy this. Unless it's the only thing that you have available and you don't have the old-timer version available to you and you're willing to put significant work into it. I mean, I can already tell I got to put a lot of work into this one just to bring it to the level of this. And that's pretty sad. Mostly since I think I spent more on this one. All right, that's that. All right, have a good one, guys.